Drop it.
What's up, team?
What's going on? How you guys doing?
Red light, green light. Oh, dude, those new dots are sick. The 10 EMA on there is just filth.
Oh, it's absolutely filthy. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Ooh, those swings that I was telling you about before the stream that were up 4% are now up 10. Woohoo!
All right.
Thank you, Pythagoras.
Sweet. Now here we go. We had a yellow signal pop up on the 5-minute with the SPY. Guys, you know, we could go ahead and look at the SPY on Friday, right? And everyone was anticipating a reversal. Everyone's reverse. And we weren't quite getting it, right? So at least this indication gives you a clue. And, well, we got the reverse. And now everything is pure trade 1348. We have the 13 curling down. We have price action coming down to the 48. Guys, this is proof of concept. This is a public stream, by the way. If you want these charts, you want these indicators, you want Pythagoras, you want Invictus, you want the 3-minute crosses, you want the curriculum, you want to change your life, like, stop making excuses for yourself. Trade1348.com. Link down in the description, pinned to the top of the comments. We are breaking this down so it's super simple and you do not leave anything to question, right? Listen, a system's only as good as its ability to be duplicatable. And what we're attempting to do is help you guys duplicate the success of very seasoned professional traders. But I damn near say this. Seasoned professional traders don't stand a chance. Your TA, your technical analysis, your this, your that, the shit doesn't work. Your follow me trades, your penny stock furus, it doesn't work. You know what works? Yellow line, yellow light for the fucking win on that 5-minute, coming right back, right down to that 48. This is the reversal everyone was waiting for. But if you were patient, you did not front run a reversal until you got a proper indication. Oh, man.
And the algorithms and everything are just unmatched, people. Like, I just took a trade that had, like, I think it's got 3 or 4 weeks of time, a little bit of smaller size. With Pythagoras, the daily predictive, I'm already up 14%.
Yes.
Thank you. Like, these tools that we have provided you guys, there is nothing else out there even similar to it. These things are nasty. We've built them from the ground up.
Yes.
Just ready for the next couple things that we have coming for you guys, because it's going to be filthy. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the fan fave here. Nvidia. I've got a level at 159.25, 159.20. It's just been tapping it for a while. If it can crack down below, I think you can get some nice movement down. Spy's bouncing right off that 48 on the 5-minute here, though.
Hey, yes.
Dude,
it's bouncing. I want you to look at this, though, STV. We still got green lights on NVIDIA up until we don't, right? Now, the SPY was the first to fall below, right? No one needed to front run anything. You got you got to trade without anxiety, right? And again, you're just following the trend. You're following the system, right? Oh, God, topic. Chill out. But this is where we have NVIDIA. We do have this here. It's just sitting on a 13. You have a level where, STV?
What is it? 159.20.
Ooh, okay. And you're pulling that from the 4-hour?
It's from the 5-minute a while back.
Oh, going way past 7 trading days, right? So
yeah, this one's far.
let's go ahead and see if we can find it on the 4 hour, right? So we have a level at 156.39, and let's
It
see
just
what.
keeps bouncing off of it.
Yeah, it's just ooh.
It might be from that wick. Maybe not. I don't know. It's from the 5 minute a while ago. I can go back and see where I got it from.
Oh, you had to go way back into time, Marty McFly.
Oh yeah, this is from like the 20th of December.
Oh wow, that's right. Liam D says these lights are the bomb. Liam, I love your name. Dyslexic for male.
Yeah, but again, if you guys all want these charts that everybody is just going fucking nuts over today, remember, you guys all have access to 2 weeks for free, 14-day free trial. Come see what we're all about. I know a lot of you guys saw that We're Making Millionaires videos last week. Aren't you a little curious as to why? I mean, we're the only ones that have put out videos about us making millionaires out of people. Why might that be? Well, because everybody else is doing follow trade bullshit and not helping people actually learn how to fish. It is what it is. That's why our members are able to have such different results. Are they guaranteed? No.
Exactly. Gene says these lights represent the 10 EMA. They sure do. All right. Yeah. So let's go ahead and look at just for those who are like, hey, I like watching these guys. I'm thinking about joining up, but I got a day job and I hate my boss, and my wife's wondering, like, hey, when I'm going to get her, her new car, because it just keeps breaking down on her, that kind of thing. You got a lot of pressure, right? You just thinking about, like, okay, can I afford to take this risk? All right, let me show you. We're going to go ahead and check out NVIDIA here. NVIDIA gave you your yellow light, and she came on down into the put. She found herself at a level. Let's just say this right here, 136.56 was a level. And now you're seeing NVIDIA run up. So on the daily, if we get a yellow light on the daily, we could very well see NVIDIA come and retest the 200 once again.
That would be filthy. I've got another level that's also right at the 48 in VWAP right now at 157.70.
Oh, that's a sweet level. That's a sweet level. Now, Holden, we got Holden here. He's saying out another 12% on SPY reversal with new chart. Yeah, I'm making my trading boring now. That's what it's supposed to be. You're sitting there like,
easy for you guys.
If you get too excited, man, you're not doing it right. So let's go ahead and check out TQQQ, and then we'll check out the snap.
The Collins?
All right.
I love the Collins. Ooh, SPY getting the VWAP.
Look at this with the TQs.
Oh man.
Right, came up to
yellow
a level.
Light.
We got the yellow light here, but we also have a level right here. That's at 1876. So we would literally want to see this candle break through this level. Now, the 10. You guys want to know the value of the 10 here? That yellow? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is going to be 1882. That could be your risk. 1882 is your risk. That's your yellow light right there. So you can play it down, and or if you come right back up into it, you can close your position. Your loss is minimal. Okay.
16% on the Pythagoras play right now. Thank you. Easy. It's so simple, guys.
Oh man.
That's why we built it this way. To keep it simple for everybody. You guys all can do this.
Yes, you can definitely do this. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. We're going to make believers out of you guys. Make sure you check out the link in the description, pinned to the top of the comments, trade1348.com. You get your 2 weeks free, and you put all the risk on us and the system. But we promise you, we'll make a believer out of you. So we have Tesla. Tesla also printing its yellow light here. And Tesla has a level at 120.88. So you want to go ahead and make sure she breaks to 120.88, right? That's where you're going to find support. However, the yellow here, yellow light, the value of that is 121.77. Again, that's your risk. That is your risk. You can hold on to this play and see where she goes up until she hits your risk. And guess what, guys? Guess what? Your percentage loss, minimal. Minimal. Hey, it's Monday, so you're playing Friday's expiration, right?
You can. I would always default to more time, but that's just me.
Yeah. Yeah. Or give yourself more time. But
Mhm.
the way Tesla's setting up and the way this indicator is showing off right now, we have RSI below 50. We have MACD trending red, ADX showing that, hey, the bull move, the strength has weakened severely.
Mhm.
And then you got price action and your yellow light, all things falling within the trade 1348 set of rules. Now you're going to play this down to the 48. Absolutely. You break the 48, then we have another level here at 118.15. Now that's pretty. That's definitely pretty.
Mhm.
But yeah. Yeah, it says lifetime membership equals deal of the century.
It
Guys, you
is.
already know.
Yeah.
You
You
already
guys already know.
know.
Yud's also asking for me to go over the play I'm in. It's one of the daily predictives. I'm not going to go over it now because I'm going to be in it for a while. So, I mean, you can look, you can see what it is. Like it's one of the daily predictives that fired off today that I liked. But again, I've sized it for 0 effectively. So it doesn't really matter what this wants to do. With where we are at in the market right now, I like the opportunity for swings a little bit more than I usually would, especially with proper sizing. So I'm going to be practicing what I preach with all these swings. Again, the weird hedge nonsense that I was doing is a little bit different. That's not normal. That's just pivot point. I think the market's going to move. But this one that I have is cooking nicely here. These probably jumped a little just now.
Ooh, we got
Yeah, they're up
Tesla puts here,
18% now.
15%.
Ooh, there we go.
That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. All right, we're celebrating the wins here. Now, let's take a look at what. Oh, wait, how do you move the lights to the front? Oh, let me show you. You go to the chart here, and you go to the indicators, right? So this is a custom built indicator. Guys, you don't need TradingView Pro or Pro Plus or whatever, right? This is all built into one custom indicator. You then highlight Trade 1348 EMA crossover. Go to the dots here. Click the 3 dots. Visual order, bring to front. That's simple.
Mhm.
Okay. And it's actually not a bad question to ask because I was asking Algo yesterday, like, how do you do this? Help!
Dude,
Help me!
Spy's just hanging on to VWAP for dear life right now. If it slips, oh,
Yes. So GL's trading the yellow dots so far so good. Absolutely. You're going to see the power on the daily. It's going to be so filthy.
mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I just popped a Viagra. Jeez. We only have to
Dude,
save our indicator on the web, right? Yeah, that's all you need to do, really.
yeah.
So, okay.
I mean, it's filthy. I was fucking around with it a little bit today. We went over it in the pre-market, and I was like, "Oh, now I get it."
Now
I was
you
like,
get
"Now
it.
I understand." Oh, these are up. Ah, they just flickered 20. They're up 19%. Oh, 19.7% on the one. Maybe I'll tweet it out later what it is. Just the screenshot of what I'm already up. But
Ooh,
this does not
nice.
mean go buy it because you're going to be paying a 20% premium for no fucking reason. Don't do that. That's just dumb.
Right. So guys, what I also want to show you in the way we have it color coded with this TEM EMA and how it's integrated into our system here is we stay green. It keeps you calm. It keeps you out of the trade. It keeps you from anticipating. It keeps you from, again, not in actionable situation, right?
Mhm.
Especially when you have massive consolidation. And in this situation, we've had consolidation going all the way back since 10:30 this morning. So this market is not letting up. It's like, hey, we're here. We're
Yeah.
here. All right. So once we start seeing those yellows, oh my God. Now let's go ahead and check out Invictus. Currently 3 for 5. We
Not
got a
bad.
bunch of active plays.
Dude, Invictus and I can't even like the fact that we were able to build this is awesome. Like these tools are so crazy. Like I couldn't imagine trading without these. I feel bad for everybody that can't use these. It's just filthy. Like, it just gives you an insight to the market that you would just never expect to see before.
Absolutely. Insight you would never see before. What I want to do actually is look at Rivian. Now, Rivian was really, really popular last week for whatever reason. So let's look at the potential cross down. Oh, pay me.
Review. Oh, there it is.
Oh, pay me. Okay, Edwards, quick feedback. Can we get alerted that column for the Pythagoras bot? That's actually a good feedback there. Gabe,
Is
did you
that,
say we don't
like the
need
prices?
TradingView Pro subscription for 1348? No, because it's all one indicator now.
Okay, for Pythagoras, you have the average entry of where it was entering. For daily predictives, you have the price it's alerted at. So it's effectively the same thing.
There you go. It's the same thing. All right. So, oh, they need Pro? Okay, they need Pro, guys. They need Pro. You need Pro. They don't need Pro Plus. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
just Pro.
Okay.
I
just
have Pro.
All right. Now, what I want to do is I want to break down the anatomy of this here, right, guys? Because you have, the ability to play support and resistance here, right? So you're just like, okay, you hit resistance, you drop down to the 48, you hit resistance, and you drop down to the 48. But which one is the more highly probable setup? Is probably once we get that line here. This does yellow light. And now we're coming on down. And now this can lead into a potential cross, which then takes you in even further. Guys, if you don't see how fucking filthy this is, I just get some glasses.
Dude, I'm just sitting over here. Dude, this is... We've created monsters.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Do we continue to bounce off view up on the SPY? Who knows, but it could easily break from here. If it does, you're looking at, what's the next level? 391.15 if you broke. If you break VWAP, that's probably where you're heading.
All right. Bardista says it even shows you the best entry point. Yeah, very, very possible. Best entry and or where you can manage your risk here, right? So here's the thing. Just because we have the yellow light doesn't mean we ignore 1348 rules, right? Doesn't mean that we ignore support and resistance. Doesn't mean that we ignore the 13. What it means is it puts you in a high probability play to get you from the 393s down to the 392s, and that's a quick scalp, and you know what that equals, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting for your Batman voice, bro. What does that equal?
The Batman voice?
Yeah. When you take a scalp from 393 to 392, thanks to the yellow light, what does that equal?
I don't know. I usually just use the Batman voice as I'm Batman. What?
Money.
Oh, okay. Money.
Jesus.
21.72%. Thank you, Pythagoras, you fucking animal. If you guys aren't using these tools, say goodbye to your money, bro. I mean, these are fucking nasty.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So the SPY just being a pain in the ass right now, and it's all about patience, right? So we're looking at the indicators, and we're looking. Let's look at this again. Still trade 1348, right? We still abide by the rules and methodologies. Mm-hmm. So as you get this yellow light, you do have that level. The RSI is leading you, right? So your first inkling of like, should I get out would be once you hit this level. And again, you see this candle here and RSI pivoting back up, right? Or you can have those diamond encrusted nuts that they like to talk about over in the AMC movement there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you want some diamond encrusted nuts? Hey, you're going to make it here. Jeremy, you missed the morning streams. Bad boy. Missed out on a lot. Okay. What else are we looking at? Let's get back to... Oh, we got Amazon alerting.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Let's go
on what?
out.
Invictus or the 3 on the... Oh, on the
Invictus.
daily?
No, we got Invictus. Amazon. Invictus.
Is that on the daily too?
Oh, it could be. Let's go check it
Oh no, it's
out.
not. Never mind.
All right.
That's just on Invictus. Damn. If I saw an Invictus and a predictive daily at the same time, oh my god,
All right.
I'd lose my mind.
So we have your yellow here, your yellow light. We got the Invictus alert. We have the 48 here, guys. Again, you have to respect your levels, treat the EMAs as levels, but you had scalp potential here. This was an easy setup, guys. I mean, you could just scalp all day with this. This is absolutely wild. You're seeing RSI do a little more of the same again, right? You see this yellow light, and then you see RSI confirm it with MACD trending down, et cetera, et cetera. You know that you're coming down to a level, and then it has to respect the level, right? Because this is just the law of the markets. It respects levels. You got RSI pump right back up, but hey, look at we're maintaining red lights here. Your risk is this yellow light here. You know what your risk is? Your risk is 88.99. You're profitable.
Oh, and Elevate. I would highly recommend that you go watch the stream on Gabe's channel called Burning Bridges if you would like a better insight. Because I know you haven't been around in a while. There's been some things that have transpired, but there's a whole stream walking you through the entire situation. So if you want to go watch that, go for it.
And you know what? It's 2023. That shit's old news. We're all about making money. We're living in the present, living in the future. Let's just go get it. If we're going to go ahead and make our foes relevant by virtue of them being dumb cunts, no, just doesn't bode anybody well, right? Let's worry about making money.
Yep.
That's it.
I want to see this spy go just knife dead.
Oh.
That would be hilarious. I still think, I mean, this is just the pivot boys coming back in and just like pumping it and we're coming into CPI on Thursday. Like, come on, bro.
That's it. That's it. Let's go ahead and see what else. Invictus got DeVu, GME. No, we're not going to cover GME. VU. Let's go ahead and see what VU's doing.
Let's see.
Oh, this was nice. What a beauty.
23% Pythagoras in a day, bro. In a fucking day. I haven't even held this fucking thing overnight. It's up 23%. Thank you.
Michael Britton said, ooh, he said the C word. Yeah, you know why? Because I'm already canceled on Twitter again. So, yeah. This is where you guys are going to get your dose of me. Also, if you really want to follow me outside of Twitter, check me out on TikTok. Review Dork 1348, all right? Just go ahead and follow me. Let's get back to the charts. Invictus Oxy for 18%?
Woo! There you go.
Let's go ahead and check out Oxy here. Oh, bruh.
I mean, what else can we say at this point? Like, it's like, obviously, Invictus is a fucking monster.
Instagram Reels. Yeah, you know what? I've never really mastered Instagram. So, I mean, I'll get to that. My Instagram is like locked down. I also lost my Facebook, just for the record. I lost my Facebook. That is really, really wild.
Yeah, I don't know why they're doing that bullshit, but I mean, I sort of know what it is. We know what it is.
Yeah, we know what it is. It's like, you know, like cancel me on Twitter, shut down my Facebook, spray paint my Mercedes. Like,
peasants.
I'm still here and I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, Quiet Money will get binary options. No. Stop that. Get that. No. Binary options are like way riskier than normal options. You're gambling effectively at that point. Like you're buying shit that effectively expires in 30 seconds. No. Stop.
Yeah. My Benz got spray painted over the weekend. But anyways, what I want to do is go back to the chart here. You see that yellow light literally leads you. You see how the 13's converging on the 48 and then boom, put signal. Let's go. You're making money. You are making money. If this is all Invictus, Rita feels like the bad guy behind the bad guy that you don't get to see until the final season. Well, Rita's the final boss, but here we go. We got Oxy coming down to the 200 EMA.
Mm-hmm. Can we put the colors back to how they used to be?
No.
The colors are fucking with my head. I think the yellow is 200. I have the yellow is
Well, you know, for whatever reason, I fucked around with the colors. I got messed up, right? So the 200, I have it red, right? Because that's like the mothership. That is like Optimus EMA, right? That's
I like
telling
it yellow.
You know what? Customize the charts according to you, sir.
Okay, I will. I will do that.
Oh my god. You guys can change the charts back to how you like it. Everybody likes yellow. Everybody's just used to it. But
yeah, you guys can do whatever.
Yeah. But the 200 EMA is red and is red for a reason. Is like, stop what you're doing because it's happening. And then yellow is the 48 and then 13 is the green as you see here with Oxy. But this Oxy put paid. Jesus. I do 200 red for Gabe's reason. I use 13 for green to follow the money. Absolutely. As an OG, used to these colors. All right. I like the new chart layout. Oh, Angel. Good. I am glad you like the new chart layout. Guys, look what's happening here. You're getting the red lights and it's just following price action down. This would have kept you in a play with Oxy. This would have kept you out of plays. What is the SPY doing right now? STV.
It's trapped between the 13 and the 48. It needs a break in either direction, and then it's gonna do something spicy.
It's gonna do something spicy. All right. Let's go ahead and look at
Nvidia.
Yeah, Nvidia's not showing it yet. It's just flatlined.
Yeah, it's just flatlining. So it's not actionable. Even though the alerts are somewhat in our favor, it is not really actionable. So, you know, it's the yellow light triggers everything, right? So it's yellow light, boom, all right. Now, where's RSI? Where's MACD? Where's ADX? Where's 200? Where's 48? Like, you're looking at everything. Okay, someone wants me to say it again in the back.
Nvidia.
There you go. All right.
Let's see. Ooh, Jesus. These are up 26% now. Guys, if you are not using Invictus and Pythagoras in the tool, you're doing a lot of things wrong. These things are nasty.
You're doing a lot of things wrong. Absolutely. Yeah, you're doing a lot of things wrong. People are just not used to it, right? Like, I get it. You guys. You know, you're used to being, you know, just sold, you know, just the pipe dream, snake oil type shit. You know what I mean? Like, I get it. But at the end of the day, it's like, you know, we got a lot on the line here. You know, it's our reputations, it's our studies, it's our research. You know, before I even introduced the 10 to you guys, and I know I did it casually some time back, but I went ahead and really back tested it. And then just brought it to public. I really feel like this just adds that additional layer of confirmation and simplifies the strategy. It keeps things super simple and also helps you with STV's reversal strategy. It's just, it's
Oh, you're going to make a
beautiful thing.
video with the 10 EMA, right? Just kind of break it down for everybody?
Yes.
Get ready for that, team.
Yeah. 10 EMA. Eat my ass 10 times. All right. Let's see. What else?
Should we throw the number up?
What are we doing?
I said, should we throw the number up?
Oh, yes, it is 1 o'clock. All right, guys. We're going to throw the number up. You can go ahead and give us a call in. Let us know what your experience is. If you happen to love the yellow light, we want you to call in and just tell us how you feel with that extra layer of confirmation. All right. So we have 978-545-1348. Haters are welcome to call too. Just saying.
I hope we get one.
Please do.
We've never gotten one.
All right.
Everybody always just like said, talk, and then nobody calls. I'm like, fucking stop being a bitch. Fucking call me. Jesus. So frustrating. Everybody's too much of a bitch to just fucking like have a conversation.
Oh, yeah.
You know why? It's because everybody knows it fucking works. Nobody's calling. We see them in the live chat and they're just like, Yeah. All right, call in. And then nobody ever does.
Oh boy. Here we go.
Matt always talks great about you guys. Oh, that's great. Yeah, I mean, Matt's great. I feel bad that he ended up blowing his account up last week, man. I mean, it happens. That's the thing that you guys got to realize too. Like, it's an emotional game. No matter where, at what level you are in the game, you still have to manage your emotions. Like, you still have to be able to manage, because you could run up your account crazy. If you start getting emotional, that money's gone. And it should be a lesson for everybody. Like those are the things that I've tried to really instill in you guys with the stop loss strategy, the risk management videos, and approaching the trades the same time every single time that you're in them. That's why. Like, we want to make sure that you guys avoid situations like that.
Let's see. Let's see. 5K squeeze says you called. Well, we don't got a number. Ooh, let's check out the spy, Diana.
Oh, come on, break the VWAP, bro. Come on, give it to him.
Ooh, you're being guided into the 48. This is game changing, guys. Trade1348.com. Link down in the description. It's just $69 a month. Listen,
It is so cheap.
Yeah.
That price is going to go up.
Your wife spends more on her nails. Trust me. And God forbid those shitty cactus like eyelashes. Goddamn, like, please, let's not do that. I can't stand it. I don't know who told the women of the modern era that is actually cute, but it's not. It's the shit's scary. It's like it's fucking Venus flytrap, dude.
They're literally, it's like a power up. They're just attacking you. You just blink and you're dead.
I would just love to see one on a very windy day. It's just like you're not aerodynamic anymore.
Jesus. Well, spy slipping VBOP.
And here we go. Congratulations.
Do it. Kill it.
You guys had exact entry.
Bro, those scale outs that I had earlier on the hedges were so filthy. Those are free now.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Thank you, Pythagoras, for the fucking alley-oop there. That was easy.
Yeah, it was. I call it Minnie Mouse eyelashes.
Whoa. Michael Britton, I'm all in on 1348 from $100 on December 3rd to $1,000 today with base hits. Michael, you fucking baller, bro. I love seeing that. The results are out there, team. Every single day, you guys are seeing people change their lives and their financial situations. But again, it's going to be up to you at the end of the day if you're going to take that step and put the time in. If not, you're probably just going to stay in the same position that you're in. And if you're listening to these other people, bye-bye money with the follow trades.
Oops, bye-bye money.
Yeah.
You're going to get your ass kicked like I kicked the girl with the eyelashes going down on me and tickling my nuts. It's just like, you're going to get your ass kicked. It's like... They're not ticklers.
They fly away. They're just flapping. They're like, they just start blinking really fast and they just fucking levitate.
Oh. My coffee is running out.
I know. I'm up to 3 today. We got the educational stream tonight.
Yes, we do. Educational stream tonight. Let's see. Spy paid out, Invictus paid out. Guys, it's an interesting thing too. If Invictus doesn't happen to alert a particular play, you could still go ahead and play the yellow light. In fact, Algo is giving us the yellow light district. That's where we're getting market-wide alerts.
Mm-hmm.
On the yellow lights. It's gonna be beautiful. Mara. Okay.
I already know what's going on with that. I think I would say don't chase it. Wayne, stop chasing. 28% Pythagoras. Thank you.
Okay.
29.
So, guys, check this out. Just because it's still green and moving up doesn't give you an excuse to chase it. What it means is do not try to front run the reversal. It keeps you out of making stupid decisions, right? So we don't have any yellows here. It's made its move. In fact, STV.
Mm-hmm.
Look at here. Look at that yellow right there on the call.
Oh my God, dude.
And then boom.
It's just filthy.
Yeah, it's absolutely filthy. Let's see. IWM Invictus. All right, let's check out the IWM alert. We'll go to Invictus. So it alerted at 108. All right, so we go ahead and find that candle right here. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and mark this candle. We're going to mark this candle. All right. Let me showcase something to you guys. Right? The yellow light's going to go ahead and lead you into an Invictus alert, and the Invictus alert is going to lead you into the 1348 cross. Now, here's the thing. Now that you have two actionable alerts leading into the primary alert, you still assure yourself the opportunity to make money. Just manage your risk.
Use the stop loss strategy, team.
Stop loss strategy.
All right. I'm about to do a little something here. I'm not going to trade anything. I'm going to tweet out the thing that I'm in on Twitter. So if you guys want to see it, I'll throw the link in here in a second.
Oh, yeah. I can't see nothing on Twitter. Fuck you. Anyways. I'm
right.
with you, man. I got nothing but love for this kid, right? So check this out. Going back to the chart, you got your yellow here, right? It leads you into the 48. Right? Yellow light leads you into the 48. Now Invictus alerts, and Invictus alerts here. Tell me, what does that do for your confidence going into the trade? At this very point, right, going into the 1348 cross, all right, is entirely optional. And what it forces you to do now is read the indicators, MACD cross down, ADX building up strength to the downside. Are you guys reading this? Are you guys able to see this? These are beautiful setups now.
They're looking good.
Very.
So the play, I just threw the link to the tweet. If you guys wouldn't mind running over there, engaging with that tweet over there. Pythagoras is fucking nasty, guys. Like, if you haven't seen the power of this stuff yet, there's another one right there. Do you know how much work that took me to take that trade? 0. I looked at the chart. I knew the risk. Bing, bang, boom. Proper size. Easy. I think they're up 31% now.
What, you're playing Pfizer?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Look at this.
Yeah. You see that?
Woo.
You want to know where I entered? I entered right like at 10:30. I think. That's where I was in.
Oh, man. Holy crap, look at Oxy. We'll get to that in a second. People want to know SPY. This is actually looking fairly good, right? So we're playing above the 200 again. 1348 rules apply. When you're above the 200, right, your bias to calls. But we do have a potential cross and things are shaping up. As long as RSI remains below 50 and trends down, as long as the MACD and signal line begin to trend down and you continue to see a buildup here in the histogram, all things are looking good. Now, the ADX, you want to see this begin building up strength and showing strength to the downside. But hey, look at, you come in at 392, 94. You're already at 391.85. That's a $2 move. STB, how much money is that?
On SPY? That's a lot. The $2 move that's a big move. I usually, when I'm trading SPY, ideally I want $1 to $1.50. $2 is a fucking gift.
Absolutely.
That's a gift. You catch a $2 move on the SPY, you are printing.
All right. Run through the yellow dot for MU on the 5 minute. You know what, STV? I think people are just too busy printing. They don't even want to fucking call in. They're just excited about these setups here.
I think so too, dude. I mean, we've changed the game completely. It's different now.
It's different because we're different. All right. So the yellow flickered away. That's fine. You still have consolidation. You got the greens. As long as the greens are just still, at candle close. Oh, okay. So we want to see this yellow on candle close. Right? If it's flickering around, it's flickering around. If the candle has not closed, it doesn't matter. Okay. But we see the market following the same trend down, right? It's almost like it ran out of steam, the bubble popped, and people are like, okay, I'm sobering up from the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
This is interesting.
Dude, it's print city out here. There is so much money to be made. I love it.
Oh, so much money.
Every day there's something new. SPY back to VWAP here. Interesting. Let's see if it gets the crack. Oh, we got a caller, finally.
We got a call. We got Stamford, Connecticut.
Very interesting.
And you're live. Thank you for calling in. Tell us your name.
It's Brant Cantor.
Hey, how you doing, Brant?
Good. How are you? Let me shut the computer off and be on delay.
Doing pretty good.
How we doing, guys?
Good.
You're doing great, man.
How's your day going?
Good. I just loaded everything up last night and this morning.
Nice.
So I hesitated to call. I didn't want to call him with a technical question, but we're going to do a technical question. How do you feel?
Go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
Good. So, dope, by the way. I've been following it for a while. Took a minute to get it in. Well, a short minute. And it's looking crispy on TradingView. The yellow dot I just learned about today from the live stream, so that's cool. I don't see, but for more than a second, my support and resistance lines. When I move the chart, they vanish.
Interesting. I haven't seen that happen, but are you on the brand new chart, like the most recent one?
I think so. I copy and pasted just an Invictus from this morning.
Okay. Not sure. Let's see.
Interesting. Yeah, we can take a look at that one at some point. Again, if it's one of those, we probably won't be able to troubleshoot it right now.
Yeah,
but we can work on that.
I see.
Right,
Michael Paso says delete it and recopy it.
Yeah, delete and recopy.
Delete it and recopy it.
Yeah. Try that.
All right, I'll do that.
That should work.
And then before I do that, when I hop off, the blue lines in settings, I don't see, where are those? Not that I'd want to adjust them. Are those just there and you don't fool with them and that's it?
Gabe sets those.
I set those, yeah. So as long as you're using a web browser, when I set them, they auto-populate as soon as I hit save. So I set the line, I save it, they auto-populate.
Yep.
And then am I going to get that's what I'm talking about, support and resistance. Are those supposed to be coming from your chart too, or are those just for me to do?
The blue pill lines are Gabe's support and resistance level.
Yeah.
So you get the automatic ones, and then any other key levels that Gabe puts on the charts. So when he does it, it automatically refreshes on your chart.
Blue lines and then also red and green lines, right?
The red those are automatic. Those get placed automatically. Those.
Yeah. Okay, so you're looking at the chart here, guys. You see these levels here? The levels that give a dollar amount, those are printed automatically. Right? Support and resistance. These are given automatically. when I draw out a blue pill line, that's essentially me finding a level that is relative to that point of time and price action at that moment. You see? So I hope that clears things up for you.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna talk to someone on the Discord about I see the blue I have, and then the red and the green I see for like a split second, and then when I move the chart, they go away. So I'll just have to work on the setting for that.
Yeah, I'd say shoot a message to Hot Potato. Hot Potato might be able to help you out with that.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hot potato.
no doubt. Him and Diane have been really helpful. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna jump off. Good looking out. Thanks, guys.
Take it easy.
Good to hear from you, Brant.
Okay, guess we're tech support as well. Hey, fuck it.
It happens.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. All right, guys. It is 1:19, almost 1:20. So you know what time it is? It's time to give STV hell. And check him out on his live stream and just have a whole lot of fun over there.
Private live stream today, team. So again, if you guys want to come in there, again, 2-week free trial. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. I mean, you guys just saw it live. 28, 30%. I mean, these are up more now, probably. So, I mean,
Yeah.
we're just going to sit here continuing to print and showing you guys the way. You guys want to be a part of it? We'd love to have you.
We would love to have you. Just printed your first red light on MU.
Ooh, there it goes.
On the 5 minute. Okay, guys, you know what to do. Check out link down in the description. Trade 1348. We trade differently. Stop fucking around. This is your year. You keep saying it every year, right? Yeah, I don't really care if you quit the gym. But don't quit this. Because this is a strategy that will keep on paying dividends for the rest of your life. Something you can teach on to your family members, your kids, et cetera, okay? So trade1348.com. You guys see it here firsthand, the way we do it. Now, go drive this man crazy. And the only way you can access him is if you join the community. Trade1348 free trade1348.com. See, my coffee's wearing off. 14 days free, right? Let us prove ourselves to you. It's costing you nothing.
If us making people millionaires is not proof enough for you, I don't know where you're seeing the value. Make sure that you guys watch that video too. There's a lot of lessons to be learned in that one.
Oh, absolutely. But I think what we need to do is a hairy ankle infomercial. That'll get people to buy, man.
Yeah, I gotta throw my ankles up there.
Face down, ass up, bro.
No. No.
Peace out.